Hi guys, I'm back. So thank you so much for your patience. So I wasn't able to upload a video. I believe the last time or the last video I uploaded was a month ago. Again, reason. So, ang daming changes recently. Wala akong masyadong definite schedule time off. So, mostly lagi ako nag-slide shift. So, yun. So, reason why I wasn't able to upload frequent videos. But then, moving on, so ito medyo okay na. So, meron na akong constant rest. So, first thing, I would like to thank you first, Miss Mhaicca and Obani for giving me this shirt. It's me, Jeffy. This one, below of this shirt has the YouTube icon, the red background, and the white play button. So there you go. Thank you so much. Now, this video is about the unboxing or unwrapping, let's say. This is a bag that I purchased way back Independence Day, actually US. So I purchased it online. And the bag that I will be reviewing called the Ralph Lauren. So for those who guys asking how I purchased this product, so of course first I have to use card. Most trusted card is Banco de Oro or BDO. Usually yun talaga ginagamit ko cause when I use the BPI card, medyo nagkaroon ng hassle. So napaka time consuming actually. So very traumatic. So never ko na ginamit ang BPI when it comes to online transaction, lalo na sa US. This bag is gift for myself. So my birth month was April. So syempre ipon-ipon. And then yun nga, since in US during Independence Day, there's a lot of promotion or sale online. So again, since mahilig ako sa bag, so I look stuff like Coach.com, KateSpade.com, MichaelKors.com, and also the which is the RalphLauren.com. So finally, I got this bag. This called the Marcy Satchel bag. This one was originally priced is $268. Then meron silang on sale promotion. At the same time, Ralph Lauren is actually celebrating the 50 years, which is correct. So it's 50 anniversary. So like 5 decades. So on top of 40%, Ralph Lauren sent me a promotion or coupon so I can use to get more discount. So from $268, the bag bring down to $99. So all in all with taxes and shipping, so it's 120, roughly $130. So tama na Hanash. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unwrap. So yun, binili ko siya way back June or actually July. So dumating yung box, it's a very huge box, way back September. So once again, because of some reasons, di ako na masyado nakapag-upload ng video. So here's the bag. It came with a different color actually. I'll post one by one different color, but one thing that I got is gray, or they call it Palomino or Palomino, because mostly of my bags are black. What else? Brown. So what I got here is same thing as what my Zara mini city bag. It is a grayish color. So the actual bag itself, on the plastic you have the model item, and then it says here leather Marcy Satchel. So ayan siya. So here's let's go ahead and samahan niyo ako i-unwrap or tanggalin siya sa pinaka-packaging. I kept this bag for like September, October, November for 3 months. So, never ko siya tinanggal sa box. Though, I know the actual design of the bag already. But, yeah. So, since almost, end of the year, it's December, Christmas. So, here. So, it's very protected. So, makita mo yung pinaka-label, which is the Lauren by Ralph Lauren. So, it says it's a leather bag. And then, yung, again, the price, which is the original price is $268. But I got this one on a promotional or promotion, which is it has a discount. And for also, I would like to shout out to my pamangkin Marie for my nail. So thank you so much. And then yeah, so here's the bags look like. It has a tag of Lauren by Ralph Lauren, and then it is a soft leather bag, which is also again, so same thing with my Zara, the mini office city bag, or I will show the info icon on the top video. So this bag also is adjustable if you want to make, like the bag bigger. So there's like a button here, so which is good if you need more space. And then it has 4 supported buttons. So again, the reason why I would like to get that kind of bag because kasi pag nilalapag mo siya, so hindi siya yung natutumba. So yun, I will flash the size of the bag as well. So let's check what other stuff in here. So again, to make sure kung mag-unwrap or mag-unbox kayo ng bag, make sure you have to be careful. Once again, make sure not to damage the bag, which is your investment. So usually, good thing about it, it has actually tape lang naman ginagamit nila, which is very easy which is madali lang siya tanggalin. Unlike yung Michael Kors bag, super wrap yung pinaka bag itself. But for this one, in this case, usually, again, white or yung tape niya is mabilis lang tanggalin, like this one. So, how's your bare months actually? So, I do have a lot of stuff going on. I mean, meron akong Vice, yung Aura which is Shining Shimmering Splendid highlighter. So, I'm using the shimmering right now from Vice. I have the I do have the Le Chocolates collection from L'Oreal, which is Nico Bernardi Review. So, today is medyo maulan. It's raining morning. Now, one thing different here, because like what I mentioned before, usually when it comes to bag, I like the gold detailing, but this one, it has a silver detailing. So, ayan. The body bag. And this is actually the luggage tag. So it shows here the actual tag, which Lauren by Ralph Lauren. Are you guys ready for the 2019? Grabe no, ang bilis lang. Parang recently, parang kailan lang nag-celebrate tayo ng 2018. So here's the year end. So ang bilis niya talaga. So kindly again, my suggestions for you guys, if you have like this kind of bag, which is a designer bag, kindly keep this stuff like papers and everything to keep your bag in shape if you're not using it. Okay, so I have already finished except for this one handbag na to, yung cover niya, since di ko naman siya pagagamitin. So there, inside you will have the actual dust bag, which is from Ralph Lauren. So here's the dust bag. Where you keep your bag to make, make sure na hindi siya naalikabukhan or something. Okay. And then lastly is the care card. So it says Lauren by Ralph Lauren, leather. Your accessory is made of finely tanned leather with beautiful variations in color and texture. Our leather is carefully selected for its quality, hand-free, and durability to care for your accessory. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe clean and have cleaned by leather professional when needed. Permanent stains are not removable and should be left alone. Inspired by the iconic work of Ralph Lauren and handcrafted from materials of exceptional quality, Lauren by Ralph Lauren captures the rich, authentic heritage with modern, timeless style. We hope you enjoy your Lauren by Ralph Lauren accessory and encourage you to preserve its beauty and integrity. So, here's. There you go. So I have already finished remove all those cover from the bag. So first, if you'll notice, so medyo hawig talaga siya ng Zara bag, which is the mini office city bag, but this one is like more space because this is much again, not that really big, but it's considered as actually a good size for a big bag. And I do love the touch when you touch the actual soft leather itself. It's very light actually. So again, at the bottom you have 4 support buttons, and here is the icon for the designer bag, so it's Lauren by Ralph Lauren. What else? Again, the bag tag for authenticity. This is the designer bag. So this is a handbag where you can also make this one as a shoulder bag. And then you have two big compartments. I'm sorry, may naiwan pa pala. So you have two big compartment here. So again, very spacious. So one here and then another here. And then for authenticity, you have a inside packet bag. So dito kasha siguro mga phones and other stuff that you can easily to grab. So another authenticity here is the designer tag, and then naka-emboss yung name. And then so inside also another authenticity, which is the zipper. So ang zipper niya, ito nakalagay is RL, and then it has one zipper. So you'll see the authenticity as well inside the actual bag, the lining or the actual cloth that they use. So yeah. And then this one, good thing about this one, it has a support plus, so hindi siya yung basta-basta nag-open. So here, so sa likod niya actually plain lang siya, hindi ko muna tatanggalin to since hindi ko naman siya gagamitin. So here's the bag overall look like. So what is my opinion regarding with this bag? Actually, with a price of $130 is not bad for this kind of designer bag. As we all know, Lauren by Ralph Lauren is also one of the expensive accessories. If you browse online, you can check it out, www.ralphlauren.com. So you will see the pricing there of their bags. Now again, with the feel of the soft leather, which is good, I like it. And then together with the silver, the silver part of the bag, which is very awesome. And also when it comes to the actual stitching of the bag, so very smooth yung pagkakatahi, kasi di ba malalaman mo when it comes to, let's say, brand like class A bag, nakita mo yung pagkaka-stitch ng bag niya is yung parang bara-bara lang or parang basta ma-stitch lang yung bag. So again, with this kind of bag, with a price, hindi ka nalugi. So thank you so much for joining me here and wrap my new bag. So possible I'm gonna use this one for New Year. And yeah, so thank you so much guys for your time, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click subscribe button and also the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I have a new uploads. And also once again, thank you so much for your support. Again, just keep the positive environment. So yeah, I'll put link down the description box, all the information. So thank you so much again for watching. Once again, this is Jeffy, and you do have a great day and keep your holidays happy, okay? And you do have a good one.